One love, people. Give thanks to the Most High.
Yeah. Rastafari.
Give thanks for the giving thanks.
Aye.
For the feeling of giving thanks. We're here today, feeling positive, feeling good. We've got the children here with us. We're going to teach them some drumming today. But first, Rasta Bulgie is going to read a speech from Rastafari, Selassie. Come in.
Bigotry and prejudice, malicious and human self-interest have been replaced by understanding and tolerance and goodwill. Until all Africans stand and speak as free beings, equal in the eyes of all men, as they are in the eyes of heaven. Until that day, the African continent will not know peace. We Africans will fight if necessary, and we know that we shall win, as we are confident in the victory of good over evil. Equality of representation must be assured in each of its organs. The possibility which exists in the United Nations to provide a medium whereby the hungry may be fed, the naked clothed, the ignorant instructed, must be seized and exploited, for the flower of peace is not sustained by poverty and wanted to achieve. This requires courage and confidence. The courage I believe we possess. The confidence must be created, and to create confidence we must act courageously. Rastafari, Jeremiah, Konamari.
Selassie. Give thanks. Yes, that beautiful speech by Rastafari, Selassie. Until the color of a man's skin is of no more equivalent than the color of his eyes. This is very important for us to remember, because love for all humanity is God. God is love, and love is God. Above all things. Peace and love. So now we're going to have a drum lesson. Shania, my daughter, she's a master drummer. She's a prodigy. She's going to be leading the drum today. And her sisters, up and coming young female drummers, they're going to be helping her. So we're going to play some drums now. Peace and love. Peace and love. Rasta man bring forth. Peace and love. 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 Rasta man bring forth. Peace and love. Rastafari. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Rasta man bring for you. Peace and love. Tell your father they fi come. Peace and love. Tell your mother they fi come. Peace and love. Peace and love. Rasta man bring for you. Peace and love. 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 Rasta man bring for you. Peace and love. Peace and love. Yes, give thanks. Why should I not praise Rastafari? I Selassie I.
Aye, aye.
Some call him King Alpha. Some call him the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, earth rightful ruler.
Rastafari.
Selassie I.
Aye, aye.
Joe!
Rastafari.
Eternal I. Once again, giving thanks for the giving thanks. Give thanks for the children.
Give thanks to Rastafari.
Sing it. Rastafari. All the priests and warriors and straight to be still.
So long Rastafari call you. So long, so long, so long, so long. So long Rastafari call you. So long, so long. For your enemies surround you, trying to devour you. So long Rastafari call you. So long, so long, so long, so long, so long. So long. Fire upon the wicked. Against the Lord and against his anointed saint, let us break his bands asunder and cast away his cords from us. He who sitteth in the heavens shall laugh, and the Lord shall have them in derision. For the Lord knoweth the ways of the righteous, but the ways of the ungodly shall perish. Selassie. Giving thanks and praise to the Most High for this gathering and this positive vibration. This original technology, African technology of energy and frequency, spreading positivity to the community and the vicinity. Giving thanks for the giving thanks. Giving thanks for the Most High. Jah. Rastafari for the inspiration. Giving thanks for Empress Naya Bingi. Giving thanks for Empress Menin. Giving thanks for the giving thanks. Ja! Rastafari. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we wept, river Zion. But the wicked carried us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? So words of our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight, woe for I. So let the words our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight. Go for a ride. Once again, give it thanks for the giving thanks. Feels good to be here. One love, people. More love, more strength, more happiness, more justice. Peace.